Alright, everybody. This is the last video I'm doing, I promise. American Tool Set. Usually I find these as just a beaten up box. I had one similar to this, I'm positive. Now, the graphics on this are pretty good. It definitely looks like 1980s to me. 1970s, 1980s. A boy, his dad, his tool set. And it's mostly white along the sides, nothing really. But it actually has the tools with it. Some of the tools. Look at this hammer. Some vintage 1970s, 1980s tools. Sandpaper, these things, the measuring, handy angle tool. Made in USA stuff. Anyways, there you go. And like I said, I had one. You had one. I don't really build a lot of stuff, but still a cool toy for a kid. Like, share, subscribe, please. Thank you very much for watching.